In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera not working. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple and easy. Just go to the settings right here and then go to the apps manager, and after that on this page go to the apps manager again. Now here scroll down until you find Instagram and click on it, and after you find it you have to click on it. Now on this page you will find many options, but don't worry, it's very easy to solve. So first thing you have to do is click on the force stop like this, and then go to the power usage details and click again down here on the force stop and go back. Now click on the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, and now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.